In this Sailing Doodles, we sail from Florida over to Bimini in the Bahamas, where we check in and do some exploring. This season of Sailing Doodles features Taylor, Tara, and Bobby as we set sail for the Caribbean with our two Labradoodles, Maverick and Goose. In the last video, we put on our new sails, did some last-minute repairs, and then got off the dock.
It's very exciting.
It's been an eventful day.
It has, and you are a great teacher.
Thank you. Hey Goose, you ready to go to Bahamas? It was time to raise the quarantine flag, showing that we had not cleared customs.
All right, it's official. There's a Canadian on board.
Don't worry, the Stars and Stripes is still up there. We just can't see it because it's behind the sails, but it's there.
Canada's better.
No, it's not. All right, now that we are underway, making 7.5, 8 knots, so we're doing well. Let's get to know Tara a little bit. So what's your story?
What's my story? Where do I start?
Where are you from and what are you doing?
So, where are you from is pretty much always the hardest question that I get asked because I don't have a good, simple answer to that. I grew up in Hong Kong. My dad is English, my mom is American. My accent sounds different depending on your perspective. My English family is like, you are American, and all my American friends are like, no, you don't sound American. Yeah. So I don't know.
And where do you live now?
I live in New York.
Okay. And how long are you gonna be with us?
TBD, return flight not yet booked.
Okay.
And the reason, so I think Bobby might have mentioned, but we know each other from Burning Man.
Right.
We've been in the same Burning Man camp for a number of years now. But this is my first time spending time with Bobby not at Burning Man.
That's true, that's true.
One thing that's kind of good, this feels a little bit like being in RVs at Burning Man.
Yes.
Yeah.
So she's used to how the showers work and all that. So.
Yeah.
All right, well, happy to have you aboard, and I'm sure Taylor is happy to have a girlfriend here.
Yeah, I'm not so outnumbered. It's like 2 girls against 3 boys now.
You're right.
They're only half boys. They've been snipped. So.
No, it's very nice to have another girl on board.
All right, well, we only got a few more out. Well, making 7.5, 8 knots. Pretty nice. We made good time across the Gulf Stream to Bimini. There's a lot of current, so gotta kind of pay attention to it. What do you think, Taylor?
We're here. We got a very warm welcome.
That's right.
We got a taste of the girl power.
We've got some bicep flexes going.
Yeah. All right. Well, we made it. So I know we started the day with champagne, so now it's a little sparkling rosé. I know that's like your favorite. So we picked this up just for you. Put the glasses there.
Woo.
And there we go.
Such a good sound. Woo!
All right, guys, we made it to the Bahamas, the first leg.
Cheers to the Bahamians.
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 All right.
Bahamians.
I got the paperwork from the guys at the marina here. We're staying at Brown's Marina. I've stayed here a couple times now. Really nice guys. So what they do is they give you the paperwork, and then I walk down the block to Customs and Immigration, give them all the stuff, and then we're checked in. I think it's like a $300 for the boat, and then I'm not sure how much it is per person, but we'll figure it out. So heading that way. It's a pretty nice marina. Got like a tennis court and all that. Not very crowded though, but beautiful clear water. Immigration's in one building around the corner over here, and Customs is actually at another marina. I think it's at the Big Game Club Marina. Been there. It's pretty easy to do. The Big Game Marina is nice, but it's also expensive. This place is a lot less expensive. So heading that way. It's very nice. I actually got a ride on a golf cart over here and didn't have to walk all the way down. All right, so the immigration was nice and easy. That's the building behind me. I didn't want to really film it just because there's a person standing there. We are all checked in and now I'm headed back to the boat. Actually, the customs guy said he wants to come inspect the boat, which is the first. So I'm gonna meet him at the boat and he's gonna come inspect it. This is one of our new electric scooters, but we'll get into that in a later video.
After we got all checked in, it was time to take down the quarantine flag and raise up the Bahamian cruising flag. The cruising flag symbolizes that we have cleared customs and immigration.
So the boys are ready to go walk on the beach, I believe. Are you ready, Maverick? You wanna go for a walk? You go for a walk, Goose? Come on. Oh yeah. Come on, Goose, let's go for a walk. He can do it on his own. He's just being a baby, like, so he wants to be pushed. He can do it. He's just a baby. So, all right. Anybody else want to go? Anybody else want to go for a walk?
Walk? Wait, you can put my lead on?
Whoa. This isn't Burning Man. Gotta say, this boat looks really good sitting here in this water. This is the whoa, look at that. Nice seeing all these buildings again. You know, a lot of them were under construction 3 years ago and they're still under construction. Not much has changed. It's part of the law down here. I'm not really sure exactly how it works, but I think that, you know, you pay reduced property taxes if the property's technically under construction. So like they'll buy the property and just do a little bit of work, just a bare minimum to keep it where the property taxes are low. And so, you know, it takes a decade for them to build whatever they're building. You know, they do a little bit of time as they get money. A lot of people leave hateful comments about us cruising with the dogs, but they look pretty happy to me. So 3 years ago, I first came through here, this ship was mostly intact. It's funny how quickly the seal reclaimed something. I mean, there's barely anything left of it now. Come on, Goose, go. Come on, Goose, go.
Oh, good jumps. Good job, boys. You ready to go to the beach? The beach with your bitches?
So today we are headed to CJ's, which is on the beach. Last time I was here, like the first time I was here, great beach. Second time I was here, storm took the beach away. Now the beach is back, so we're going there. They have food and alcohol on the beach, walking over there. Brown's Marina, by the way, has really good Wi-Fi. I uploaded a video in like 45 minutes, which is pretty fast for, like, you know, Bahamas. I mean, 1.7 gigs in 45 minutes is pretty quick. So.
Yeah, that one.
Do you like, wait no, do you like
caught
being in the rain? Making love at midnight.
Oh, I like the neck.
Yeah.
I like the neck there. Cheers, Bobby.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
First real day in the Bahamas.
I know,
First
right?
full day in the
Yeah,
Bahamas.
this is great. So the guy came up and he was like, I'll make you a special deal for 3 drinks, 3 pina coladas, $20, which Bahamas is expensive on food, so I figured that was good. But he's like, you like these? I'll make 3 more for another 10. Oh. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Maverick, stop it. This is always a, it's cold. All right, I'm good now. That's how hot it's supposed to be.
Oh my gosh, Maverick, you're swimming!
Oh yeah, they swim.
Oh my god! Look at you guys! Oh, that's saltwater. Hi! Look at you guys! I got you. I got you.
so we've discovered that Goose is a bit of a lifeguard. So Goose is on shore here. She's gonna pretend to drown. Go get her. And now they're going to save her.
Good boy, Goose, you're gonna save me.
He hasn't quite figured out the retrieving her part yet.
Maverick!
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 Sorry. Come here, boys! Come on!
It was a great time all together on the beach. We're back at the boat. Time to get cleaned up. The boys definitely need a bath. They're all salty and sandy.
We have to use a lot of water keeping the dogs salt and sand free because it irritates their skin. It's a good thing we carry 250 gallons of water and have a water maker.
I cannot get over this water. It is so blue and amazing. Oh!
So the guys here that work at Brown's Dock, which I love this place. I know there's a couple other marinas that seem busier, but this place is pretty nice. It's really good. They're cooking dinner for us, so we're heading to there to say hello and have dinner.
The benefits of a quiet place.
There you go.
This for the ladies, we got some lunch for them again tomorrow.
Give one to
Welcome to Browns.
They said they don't eat cats.
That's what they tell you.
It's a lie.
The boys had a big day and were worn out.